You want your product to look like it's being used by real people, but hiring models is a nightmare. Here's how I create professional model shots and retail displays in seconds with Designkit. Let's dive in. So here we are inside Designkit. And what we're going to do first is press listing image set because we want an image set of our tote bag. So let's go ahead and click that. And then what we're going to do is upload the image of our product. So it's given us our prompt here, which says generate a full listing image set. And of course, our image doesn't have any background or models in it. It's just the flat image. So let's add a little bit to this prompt. I'm going to say of our tote bag in a park. Now on the left-hand side, we can actually select which models we want to use here. And there are tons of different ones, including video models as well. There's also a workflow kit here as well that we can create. And this is great for automation. But now we're happy with this, let's press send. So now it's replied to us saying, I will help you create a complete set of professional listing images of your tote bag in a beautiful park setting. Let me work on that for you. So before it's generating, it's actually asking us the target platform, which we're going to go with Shopify here. We can see in our prompt, and it's asking us for the key selling points. So this is going to help it generate better, more conversion heavy images with potential text to go with it. So we've gone with durable canvas material for the selling points and stylish design. Now, another thing you can do here, which is super important and helpful, is select the model and we can go with Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. Let's select Nano Banana Pro for this one. And now it says, I'm generating a tailored plan for your tote bag's e-commerce image set, including main images and highlight shots for Shopify. And after waiting no time at all, really, we can see we have our original image here on the left, and if we do scroll through here, we can actually see that we have tons and tons of product photos along with nice selling points to go with it. We've got the canvas weave here, we have the park imagery, and we have it on its own in the park as well. And yes, all of this is stuff we can use in our e-commerce store. Now, this is great, but let's say we want this in a modern hallway. Well, what we can do is actually no need to change the tab or start again here. We can just go into the prompt box and then change our prompt. So generate a full listing set of the tote bag hanging in a wooden hook on a modern beige hallway. So we're just going to have that, make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected, and then we go ahead and hit send. And just like that, along with our other images here, we can see that it's added all of the images from our last prompt. We can zoom in here and check them out. These are all in the household, and we can see that, yes, it is hanging on that modern wooden hook there, which is fantastic. It's even used a model here as well to show it in kind of real life. And we can see that we have a completely different style here. It's clean, it's modernized, and it's really nice aesthetic. So we've gone from a dynamic street style look to more of a modern home look here. So this is great depending on your demographic, and of course just adds fantastic pictures to your e-commerce store. And because we're using Nano, across all of the images, the scenes, and the detail here, everything remains very consistent. There's no distortion, there's no deviation, the shape, texture, and branding all remains the same. So if you want to give your brand that lifestyle look without the cost, definitely click the link in the description and try Designkit now. That's going to be it from me. I will see you guys in the next video.